Hi guys, how are you all?
Good. Good.
Okay. Oh, Shreyank and Shrestha has class on the same day, right, Uma?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Because I see you 2 hours apart. So cold. Let's see. Okay. How was it, guys? The homework? I did not. Yeah. I assigned it late. I'm so sorry. Johan is the only person who did today. I'm sorry, Johan. You know what? I had saved it as a draft and I'd forgotten to post it. Okay, only after your actually there was one another parent. Netra. Oh, where is Netra?
Yeah, I started on it today, but I didn't finish it.
It's okay, ma. See, I have given you enough time. Did you see that?
Yeah.
I am not that mean. Okay, so I gave you enough time. It was my bad that I did not do it properly on time. So I gave you enough time so you can catch up. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Let me quickly remind the mom. Okay. Okay. Vihan,
Yeah.
would you go over the homework in the next 3-4 days?
Huh?
In the next 3-4 days, would you go over the homework?
Which one?
Homework I posted.
Today?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Will you go through that?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Johan, nice graphs, Johan. Really nice graphs.
Oh, thanks.
So, did you understand the relationship between additive multiplicative relationship?
Yeah.
Okay. Zach, I'm not seeing your homework these days. Why?
My mom just submitted it.
Oh, okay. That's good to know. No, no. Last week, honestly, I did not. I sent it late, so you might take some time. I know, but in on a general note, I asked you. Okay, so let's go ahead with what are they teaching in school for Zach?
Kind of doing, we're like starting, like, it's kind of like algebra.
Ah, it's kind of like algebra, like what we are doing in class.
Um, it's like,
Uh-huh. Like what?
is it simplifying terms or something like, dividing terms or something like that?
Okay, Johan, what are you doing?
Um, I think we were doing like area of triangles, trapezoids, parallelograms, and square and rectangle.
Huh, what?
We're breaking.
Now is it okay?
Yeah.
Wait. I'm switching my network, guys. I want a good connection for the class. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute, guys. Please bear with me. I'll get a good connection. Then we will go ahead. Please give me a minute. Guys, you're all able to hear me now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm good now. I'm good. If it's okay with you, I'll have my video off. Or I'll have on for a while and then I'll have it off. Okay. So let me go ahead and ask you some questions. Let's see where we are and then move on. I don't know. Okay. How about this? You're able to see my screen, right? Okay. So what is this, guys? X minus 3y. How will the graph be in this case? I would like you to tell me. Wait. I would like you to tell me how is this graph? Can quickly one of you show it on the board?
Wait, this would be discussed last week or?
This would be? Yeah, this was discussed last week. That's what I'm reviewing, right?
Yeah, I wasn't here for last week. That's what.
How do you draw this graph? Netra, are you here, Netra? Netra, there's no video for you, Netra. Okay, you're here. How will this graph look like, guys? Do you know how to graph this?
Yeah. Do we just draw it on the board?
Yeah, please, one of you. Feel free to. I want to understand. And one another person can do this graph as well. How will this graph look like? What is the difference between the two? Netra, do you
can't-
want to take this?
I can't draw on the board.
You are from a Chromebook?
Yeah, I have a Chromebook.
Okay. Do you want to help me? Yeah, Johan has started. Good job, Johan. Go ahead. Mm-hmm. I'm watching. Mhm. I would really like to see you guys graphing. If I see that, I feel good about it as well because you're all learning this for now only, right? So go ahead. Mm-hmm. Go ahead and connect, Johan. Good job. Your graph is great. Just connect the dots.
Excuse me, I have a question.
Yes, Manetra.
For the homework, it's on a PDF. So I figured out the answers for like a few of them, but how do I edit it? How do I edit the PDF?
You don't need to edit a PDF, ma. Okay, I'll tell you. You can do it in your you can do it in your math journal or a rough notebook. You got it?
Yeah.
You can,
Also,
okay, I'll show you, Netra. Give me 1 minute. Let them finish. If I change the screen, right, their drawings will go. Give me 1 minute. Okay, Netra?
oh yeah, and also Miss Priya.
Yeah.
On the homework you said first 20 problems. I was like confused on what you meant by that.
First 20 problems only. There are more problems in that assignment.
Yeah, there are 30 questions, but like, what did you mean by that?
The first 20 only, not 21 to 30.
Okay.
I wanted this class to happen, then give the rest of the problems as homework.
Okay, so we're just gonna next this class we're gonna finish it.
Exactly.
Okay. I just had a question about that.
Yeah, you're right. So, Sreshta, everything is correct, but why did you try to join that origin, Sreshta? So, your line is like this, right?
Oh.
So, If I put a 0, is 0 coming? No, right?
Yeah,
So
it
the
would be.
graph is going to go like this. When you put y, x, when you see here, when you put y equal to 0, when you put x equal to 3, y equal to 0. So 3, 0 is going to be a point on the graph. You get it?
Yeah.
Whereas Johan's graph, just substitute x equal to 0, y will also be equal to 0. So that will go from here. You got it?
Yeah.
That is the difference. What is this relationship called? What is this relationship called?
Mine is multiplicative and Shrestha's was additive.
Yep, this is multiplicative relationship. This is additive relationship. So that is where the difference. When it is additive relationship, you see there is a -3 in here, right? The problem is when you put a 3, x equal to 3, y equal to 0. So this is a point on the graph and this is the line cuts the x-axis there. Whereas in a multiplicative relationship, it is always cutting at 0, 0. Did you get that?
Yeah.
So that is the major difference between additive and multiplicative relationship. You need to understand when they give you additive relationship, when they give you multiplicative relationship. In a multiplicative relationship, 0, 0 is a point on the graph. In an additive relationship, 0, 0 is not a point on the graph. You all got it?
Yeah.
Okay. And always, this represents your x-axis. This represents your y-axis. X is your what variable? What type of variable is X?
Independent.
Independent variable. What type of variable is Y?
Dependent.
Dependent variable. So based on the X value, your Y value will change. Make sense? Okay. Now, let's go back. I really want to see some of the problems in that. I didn't give you the rest because I felt like they were a little difficult. Zach, how are you doing in school?
Good.
Okay. Now, if I give you this table, right, meaning I'm giving you the number of triangles and perimeter. Okay. Now, which one you can take as the independent variable? Which one is the dependent variable? You tell me.
We type
Name.
in chat or do we just tell
No,
you?
okay, Vihan, you tell me. Shout out.
The triangle is independent and the perimeter is dependent.
Good. Now, can each of you draw a graph pertaining to this in your coordinate plane and show me the graph? And I want to know whether it's a multiplicative relationship or an additive relationship as well.
Do we draw it on the board?
Do it on the paper and show me, ma.
Okay.
Zach, are you checking the answers?
For the homework?
Yes.
No.
Zach, what is represented in X is your independent quantity. What is represented by the X is the independent quantity. You've made a mistake. Okay, let me show. I also
Yeah.
want to Netra.
Last time I didn't hear I didn't really understand it much.
Now you understood?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead. I'm waiting for your answers on this. Netra, what are they teaching in school, ma? What topic they are in?
Well, in school we're doing like basic algebraic equations.
Okay. Okay. I actually I have not covered that in this class. I will go there.
Miss Priya,
Okay.
can I show it here?
Yes, ma. What was that, Vihan?
Can I show the thing like the answer to you?
Absolutely, please. I'm here. I'm looking at it. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Where are the points, Vihan? What are the points? Don't show. See, don't draw lines like connecting the x and y axis. I need to see the points.
Oh, okay, one sec. Yeah.
Hmm. Zach, perimeter is the dependent variable. Number of triangle increases or decreases. Based on that, perimeter will change, right, Zach?
Yeah, can you like teach kind of like cuz
Go ahead.
I didn't hear you cuz like I was coming home from swimming and I didn't really understand it.
Okay.
Can you like just
Yeah, today are you home?
no, I every Monday I have like 4 days a week I have swimming, so um I have when we come home, like when we drive home, it's like 7, so I have to join it during when we're in the car.
Ah, okay. Okay, 2, 4, wait. Okay, so Vihan, can you send whether it's additive relationship or multiplicative relationship in chat?
Yeah, got it.
You
Can I
got
show
it.
you?
Yeah, you can, ma, sure. Oh, wow, good lady. Is it? Yeah, but you know what? You don't need to draw those lines from the x-axis, ma.
Oh, okay. I won't do that.
Yeah, both for Vihan also had the same comment. The thing is, Shrestha did it on the board and everybody is doing it on the board. That's the reason. So here, number of triangles should be on the x. So when you do it, right, everything is important. You have to label the x-axis. Number
Oh,
of triangles. That is the independent variable.
Miss Priya, can I show?
Yeah, ma, sure. I'm watching, ma. Go ahead and show.
Okay. Yeah, I also typed the relationship in chat.
Nikita, I really want to see the origin. Your
Oh,
graph should be correct,
I
but
put the origin right here.
can you shift it up a little bit?
Yeah.
Yes, I can see that, but Nikita,
Yeah.
you have plotted 2, 1, 1, 2. The first point should be here, right, Nikita?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Do you see it? You have plotted 2, 0. Did you see that?
Yeah, I see that.
So 2 is 4. 2 is 4. So here. Then 3 is 5. Here. So basically, what is the equation for this as well? I want to know. Meaning, take P as P, number of triangles is N. So N is plotted here, P is plotted here. Now, can you find out? Correct. Additive. Good. Okay. So now I want an equation connecting N and P as well. How do
Can
you
I
connect N and P?
like do I type the equation?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, I'll take
Yeah,
that.
I'm good.
Yeah, take your time. I'll wait.
Miss Priya,
Okay,
my
I
graph
sent
okay?
that.
Is my graph okay?
Is your graph okay? Yeah. Wait, Amma. Who? Yeah. Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. I don't need to see those lines, Reshta, connecting X and Y. The points are good. The line is good. Shrestha, show me the graph once more.
Okay.
Yes, that is correct.
Okay.
That is correct. But my only thing is you don't need to have those lines. You see what lines? I mean, everybody is drawing that because you showed them. See, like these lines, I don't want it. You got it?
Okay.
Yep. Nikita, correct. Johan, did you get it? Vihan? Yeah,
Yeah.
Johan, illama. If you blur your screen, I can't see Johan. Although blur the video, na, I can't see the video. We see the graph. Ah, thank you. Yeah, perfect. I think Johan, you already got it. Good job. Johan, and one more help, meaning one more suggestion I'll give you to everybody, not just to Johan. There are something called graph index cards. Do you know about them?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They are so useful when it comes to graphing. You don't need to draw those lines. You want me to show you that?
Sure.
Okay, I'll show you. Those are very useful. Not only now, guys, I'm not telling anything for today for this year. Okay, as you move up, right, it'll be so useful. Meaning next grade, right, it'll be so useful if you buy graph index cards and use them for homeworks and all. See? Do you see these? These are what is called as graph index cards. They're only $4-5. See, $1. You see what I mean? They're very cheap as well. Okay. So whenever you go to Walmart or anything, have them. Every time we do or you do it at school, you can do it in them. It's very nice. It looks very good. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just a suggestion. Isaac, do you have that with you now, the graphing?
No.
Okay, where
My
are you?
mom
Why
said
are
she will
you?
buy some.
Huh?
My mom said she will buy some.
No problem. No, you don't have to. But did you do the graph?
I don't have pencil and paper with me right now.
Okay.
Miss Priya, I apologize. We're driving home from swimming. He's in a competitive swim team, but this is the last Monday he's gonna go. So I
Oh, no, no,
apologize.
no. Yeah,
He's
no
not able
problem.
to actually do
Listen,
like
okay,
writing in
no, no.
class.
Yeah, I completely see it because I was now typing a message to you. I'm glad you interrupted. Okay.
Yeah, I'm
Eh,
driving, but yeah, I can
No,
hear you. But yeah,
no
sorry.
problem.
The last couple of Mondays, he's had to go because he's going 4 days a week. But starting next week, he won't go on Monday. He'll be able to focus on class.
Okay, okay. I'm also wondering if we shift the class a little bit, would it help you?
No, because this is his last Monday. Next week, I'll just take him Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So
Okay, okay,
that way he can just be on his Chromebook in his room
okay. That's good.
in the class. So yeah, no, we're good, we're good.
Okay.
But we're driving home right now. So
Yeah. No worries at all. Zach, I'll help
okay.
you. I'll help you whenever you are ready, Zach, on that.
Okay.
Dependent. First of all, I feel like dependent variables, your understanding is a little bit incorrect because from the homework that your mom has submitted, right? I do see wherever you need to have independent, you put dependent. Zach, in a coordinate plane, whatever you put on the x is the independent variable. Okay, whatever you put on the y is the dependent variable. What is this independent dependent? Let's say we are growing a tree. Okay, so I am tabulating, I am measuring the height of it week 1, week 2, week 3. Height, let's say 3 centimeter. Then the plant grows. Week 2, it becomes 6 centimeter. Week 3, it becomes 9 centimeter. This is the best example. Now tell me, Zach, which of these feels as an independent thing? Which of these feels as a dependent thing, Zach?
Um,
Weeks
can
will
I
run
can
by.
I edit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Edit
I
or you can
think
shout out. This is a separately question for you.
maybe independent is
Uh-huh.
weak.
Correct. Independent is week. Based on the week only, the height will differ. As every week go by, the height will increase, right?
Yeah.
So this is dependent.
Oh, so independent, it just goes up one.
Not necessarily. Why? This can go up by 1, 10, 15. It can go up like that as well.
Oh, okay.
Meaning it's not necessary that independent variable should go up by 1. can be 10s, it can be 20s, it can be 5s. Okay, but whichever feels independent. See, so let's say I'll give you more scenarios. Okay, I have a tub. The water is leaking. Okay, water is leaking. There is a hole in the tub. Okay, hour 1, hour 0, the water was 10 liters. Okay, hour 5, the water dropped down to, let's say, 9 liters. Hour 10, the water dropped down to 8 liters. Here, which is the independent, which is the dependent variable?
Um,
Uh,
this one is independent. This one.
Correct. Do you get it now? So that has to be plotted in x, 0, 5, 10. You get it?
Yes.
Whereas this should be like, let's say 5, 10. In that case, 0, 10, 5, 9. All these are values. You get it?
Yes.
10, 8. So then our line is like this. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So there, Soumya, you also listen, Soumya. So here, this is the independent variable. Independent variable is always on the x-axis. The dependent variable is always on the y-axis. Did you get that? Did you get that?
Yes.
Okay, good. Soumya, would you be able to answer further questions on that, Soumya?
Yes.
Are you getting it, Soumya? Soumya?
yes.
Okay. Now, a little bit different, guys. I'm going to give you a table with negative numbers. And I want you to write the relationship between those two variables. What is, guys, be careful here, okay? There is nothing big about it. You're not learning anything new. But then, I really want you to be able to write an equation connecting x and y.
Do we just send it in the chat?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Johan, Netra, Sreshta, good job, Nikita. Good job, Vihan, but I would like to see your equation. Soumya, you have to try as well.
Oh, whoops. Can I send the question in the chat?
Yes.
Can you show the question again?
Oh. Are you able to see?
No, the last question for the equation. Okay.
You know what? You can do the full.
Miss Priya.
Uh-huh.
I just sent my answer, but it's kind of like it's there's a after the plus symbol there's a negative. It's a negative.
Yeah, I get it. Yes,
Okay.
Zach, I get it. But Zach, can I suggest something? Your equation is right, Zach.
Okay.
Wait. Vihan, is that right, Vihan? Zach, my problem is you're a little confused. Okay, I know what is the problem. Okay. Vihan, is that right? Guys,
Um.
always your equation should be for the y. Y is the dependent variable, right? So Y should always be equal to be dependent. Y is dependent on X, right? So from X, this is your input output table that you learned in 4th grade. It's like that. So the output will always be the dependent variable. Output is always the Y. So Y, so X, you are given X. How will you arrive at Y? So you're given X, then what should you add or subtract or multiply to X to get Y?
You have to add negative 2.5.
Exactly. So better you subtract negative 2.5 that and equate it to Y. That is your equation. Did you get it?
Oh, oops, I hit the wrong button. Oh.
Zach, did you get it now?
Yes.
Okay, good. The thing is, I need to move on from this. But you know what? The sales tax I really want to cover. Wait, guys. There was one thing on tax rate. Let's see. I have taught you percentages to a good extent is what I am thinking. Based on that, can we try this question? This was a difficult question, and this was the main reason I gave only 20 questions. I really wanted to assign everything, but I did not assign because of this one problem. See, I really want you guys to think, okay? Write the equation and then we will see. Netra, you also try Netra. This is a tricky question though. A tax rate of 8.25% is applied. Try, guys. A tax rate of 8.25% is added to every purchase of shoes at shoe savings. Represent this relationship with an equation.
I'm confused.
You're confused about what?
Like how to do it, like with the percentage.
Netra, no. Okay, no problem. Okay. This is a difficult question. This was the main reason I gave you only 20 questions as homework. So, guys, see here.
Is mine wrong?
Yes, ma.
Okay.
That's okay.
I'm confused about the equation, but I think I got the relationship properly. I don't know.
Yeah, Vihan also the same thing. Vihan and Netra, they have similar answers. There is something that you have not understood. Okay. Now, let's go ahead. Let's what?
Am I right?
Oh, Johan. I didn't see Johan.
Is
Check. Shrestha, everybody is same. Okay, Vihan. Not really, Johan. Not really, Shrestha. Same problem with everybody's. Okay, I'll help you. Let's not look at this, okay? Today I'm going to buy a coat for $100. Okay. They say I will have to add 8% sales tax. Sales tax means 8% of the coat rate I need to pay as extra. You all got it? The coat fee, the
Oh,
what to say? The I'm buying a coat. Okay, the coat is costing $100. Okay, but 8% sales tax means I will have to give 8% of 100 in addition to that $100 to the owner of the shop. Then only he'll give me the coat. So how is this calculated? 100 plus, do we write 8% like this directly? See what we are adding. We are adding dollars and percentage. Is that right? What I should do here? 8% of what? This should also be money. How do I convert it to money? 8% of what?
out of 100.
Huh? 8% of that $100. So 8% of the quote fee, quote's real sale price. So that I need to add. This is the total price of the quote. You get it? But what is 8% of 100? Who can tell me what is 8% of 100?
0.08.
8% of 100 is what?
8.
8.
8.
8% of 100 is 8. Did we go through percentages, guys?
Uh,
Huh?
Yes.
a little bit. I think I don't
No,
really.
no, no. Wait. Netra, do you know how to calculate percentages, ma?
I think we actually did.
Kind of.
I think we did percent.
Yeah.
No,
We did do percentages. We
We did
did.
it for 1 week.
I kind of know how to do percentages. I can if you give me like a fraction or a decimal, I can convert it to a percentage, but I don't really.
I see. Okay, guys. Having said this, right, I'm going to review that and come back here. Okay. Because without that, it's very difficult, guys. Okay. Type 1. In percentages, I'll bring back the same question once again, guys. I don't want this question, but I will bring back this question. Before we get out of the class, I'll bring it back. Okay. My question, meaning, I really want to discuss this with you. Okay. There are 3 types of problems I want you to know in 6th grade. Okay. What is, if they ask you 8% of 40, this is one question they can ask. There are 3 types of problems, okay? The thing about this is, you all know half is equal to 50 by 100? Do you all know half is 50 by 100, right, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it's equivalent fractions, basically. This is equivalent fraction. When you look at it, it's equivalent fraction, right?
Oh, and now that I think about it, I did learn this.
Part by whole equal to x by 100, x percentage. See here, this is x percentage equal to the fraction part by whole. This is the formula you'll use for all the percentage problems. Now they're asking, what is 8 part by whole equal to x by 100, let's say. In this case, what is 8% of 40 means 8 by 8%. The sign is divide by 100. So this can be written as 8 divided by 100, right? So I'll put that in here, that percent. Part by whole, is this whole or part? We don't know, right? Whatever number follows the off, right? This is the whole. Okay. Part you don't know. So now, how do we fix this? How do we find this? You know what? Let's say, so here, when you think about it, so I have to find out P, right? How did 100 become 40? How did 100 become 40? They divided 100 by 100, which became 1, and multiplied with 40. So they divided by 100 and multiplied by 40 to get 40. So same thing I have to do on the 8. 8 should be divided by 100, multiply by 40. What it is? What is the answer here? 32 by 10, right?
2.2.
Get it, guys? Are you getting what I am doing?
Yeah.
Okay. So 8% of 40 is what is the question, right? So 8 by 100 times 40. What is the answer? Divide by 10, divide by 10. 32 divide by 10, 3.2. $3.20. Did you see it? $3.20 is 8% of 40. Y'all got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
What is 20% of 400? Who can do this and tell me? I'll do it once more. Then you can do. Part by whole. Always put this. 20% means I can substitute it here, right? 20 by 100. 20% of 400, right? 400 is whole or part? Nikita.
Yeah. Are you asking me what 20%
Yeah.
is?
400 is part or whole?
Part.
Just
No.
now I told Amma you
Oh,
were
it's whole. It's whole. Yeah.
Vihan, do you want to help, or Johan, do you want to help?
Yeah. Can I help?
Yeah, go ahead.
It's whole because it says 20% of 400.
Off. Whatever follows the keyword off is a whole.
Whole.
So, Zach, are you following?
Okay, I get it now.
Now, how do you find out the
Yes.
part? The problem here is P by 400. So, this was C. Here, from here to here, how did you get it? Times 4. So, here as well, you can times 4 and get the answer. 20 times 4 is 80. So, 20% of 400 is 80. Okay, now, what is 2% of 300? Try, guys. All of you, I want to see the answer.
Do we say it out loud?
Amma, why don't you send it in chat? That way, everybody gets to send.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I think you all got it. Johan, Shrestha, and Netra, I think you got it. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I want Nikita to answer, Vihan to answer. I didn't get answers.
Yeah, I'm still doing it.
I'm kind
Uh-huh.
of confused.
Where are you confused? I showed you, right? I taught you these guys. Netra, did you learn this in school?
Yeah, I just remembered I learned it in school.
Can you explain it one more?
Yeah, what is that you want? Just plugging in values, right? What is
Yeah.
this? 300, where should I substitute?
The whole.
Yeah, 300 comes here. 2%, 2 comes here, right? How do you find it out? How do you find out P now?
Now you figure out how many times 100 goes into 300.
Exactly. Then the same thing you do here. So part becomes 3 times 2, 6.
Oh. Okay. Got it.
Now, we will go to type 2 problem. Okay.
Wait,
What?
what was the answer for the other question?
6.
6. Oh yeah, I got that. Okay.
What percent of 200 is 4? This is a different question when you look at it. What percent means you have to find the X value. What percent? Of 200 means 200 is what, guys?
Oh,
Whole. So 200 goes there. 200 goes into the whole. And then what is 4 then? Part. Right?
Yeah. Is
Now, how do you find out X? 200. See the denominator. How did you get the denominators? 200 was divided by 2 to get 100. So 4 needs to be divided by 2 to get a X. Did you get it?
yeah.
So that is 2%. Okay, now how about this? What percent of 25 or 250, okay, is 50? Again, the same formula, guys. There is no change. Always just plug in values. What percent of 250 is 50?
Can we answer this?
Yeah. Send in chat.
it correct?
Yes, mine's a correct.
Yeah, ma. Shrestha, Johan, correct. But there was one incorrect answer. Vihan, correct. Johan, you changed your answer. Huh? Nikita, correct. Netra, did you get it? Zach, are you there?
Yeah, I think I got it. I'm gonna send it in the chat.
Okay, sure. Zach,
Yes.
okay, you're there. You're able to do these problems or no?
I don't have a paper.
Oh, okay, okay. So you're just listening in?
Yes.
Yeah, today you listen in, I feel, because I don't want to pressurize you, but at the same time, I want you to really listen and carry forward what we are learning. Vihan, Vihan, did you send? Yeah, yeah.
Yes, you
Yeah,
said
yeah,
it was.
yeah. Thank you. Soumya, try answering, Soumya. Netra, good job. Okay, the last type I'm going to see. I'm going to show you. Okay. 25 is what percent of 200? Can you frame your own equations now? Who is going to tell me part by whole equal to x by 100? So how to do this?
Wait, does this mean that
No, this is type 2 only.
Can I send it in chat or do I say it out loud?
Sesha, sorry, ma. Go ahead and ask your question. Vihan in chat.
I thought this was since you
Type
said 3 types?
Ma, this is type 2 only, ma.
Oh,
I didn't do
yeah.
type 3.
Because I just had a question.
Correct. Very good job. Good catch.
Is my answer correct?
Yes, ma. Ah, is it so? Wait. Let me check. That seems incorrect, ma, Vihan.
Then how do you,
Johan, how are you doing?
how do you get the answer?
I sent my answer. And also, can I get a tissue?
Yeah, ma. Shrestha got it right. Johan, you didn't get it right, Johan. Johan, you want me to show you?
Yeah.
Netra, no problem. I'll show you. Netra, we try to meet out only to fix your gap. So it's absolutely fine. Netra, where are you, ma?
Right here. I got it. I'm gonna send it.
Okay. Netra, don't feel pressured. Okay, what you can, you do, and I'll wait if you want me to wait. Go ahead.
Okay.
Rishta, are you learning from the class, ma?
Yeah.
The Shrestha, Netra. Shrestha, you have been here. I know you. Netra, are you learning from the class?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Go ahead.
Was my answer correct?
Nikita. Yes, Nikita, correct. Good job.
Okay. Because I want to.
Can you
get-
explain how to get this?
Yeah, I will definitely
Yeah,
explain.
I'm
But
stuck.
Netra, you're stuck. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, now let me go ahead and explain for Vihan and Netra. Zach is also listening, right? So let me go ahead and explain. See, guys, 25 is what percent means you don't know this, correct? What percent they're asking. Of whatever follows the of is a whole. Make sense? So what is this then 25? You tell me.
Part.
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 So 25 by 200 will be equal to x by 100. Now you have to find out x. So it should be, the arrow should be like this. So from 200, how did you get 100? Divide by 2. Divide by 2. So x will be 25 divided by 2, which is 12.5.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What I did was I multiplied 25 8 times, so I thought.
I put the 25 above the 100, so I kind of messed that up.
Yeah. See, Netra, forming this is very important, Netra. Don't ever get confused. Whole, whatever follows the off is the whole, always. Okay, now, how about 25 was what percent? Okay, so, okay, 40 is 5% of what? This is the third type. 40, same formula. Okay, I will do it on the board. You guide me. What should go? Instead of X, what should I write?
5.
5. Good job. So you all got it. And what is this? 40
Part.
part, because 40 is only 5%. So that is part here. So now you have to find the whole. For that, the arrow should point like this, right? Now the arrow, if it points like this, what happens? What did I do to the 5 to get a 40? Times 8 times 8. So now W will be equal to 8 times 100, which is 800. So 40 is 5% of 800. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. 50 is 2% of what? You're going to tell me. You sure? Really, Johan? I don't know. Let me see. I don't know whether I am right.
Yep.
Correct. Johan, is that right? I don't know. Let me do. Part by whole equal to x by 100. What should I put instead of x? 2. What is part? 50. Whole is what? I don't know. So from this to this arrow, same from here, times 25. When you times 25, W equal to 2500. Nikita, you made a mistake. Did you see that, Nikita?
Yeah, I see.
What was the mistake?
So, I just, so, I got 1,000.
Uh-huh.
Like, I didn't do the proportion, but, I got 1,000 because I thought that maybe like,
Mentally did it?
yeah, I tried. I wanted to
Oh,
try.
don't do that. Don't ever do that. Okay?
Okay.
Everybody makes mistake if they do that. Okay? Now, let me see. Okay, I'm buying a coat. I'm buying a coat for $200. Okay. They're saying tax will be 5%. What is the total price of the coat with tax? What is the total price of the coat with tax?
Is the answer correct?
Vihan, understand this, Vihan. Did you do a sanity check? The coat is 200. Tax is 5%. Then I have to pay more than 200, right? How can your answer be less than 200? Tax is in addition to the coat price. Netra, that seems correct. Now you got it, ma Netra. A little bit of review helped, right?
Yeah, I get it.
Miss Priya, is mine correct?
Johan correct, Netra correct, Sreshta correct. Nikita, where are we? Nikita, that's not correct, ma. See, okay. Before I find out, right, the total price, first I need to find out what is the tax in dollars. For that, tax is 5% of 200. What is that? How to find it? P by W equal to X by 100. 5 by 100 equal to 200, right? What is the part I need to find out? Times 2 times
Oh,
part is $10,
what
right?
I did?
The $10 needs to be added with the 200 price of the coat to get the total price. Why? Because this is the coat price, this is the tax. So when they get added, it's $10.
I wrote the proportion wrong.
My proportion, it's important.
Yeah, same. I also wrote my
Try to
proportion.
try. So you have to work on a lot of percentage problems, I feel now. Now, I am going and buying a coat for $300. Okay. Now the tax is, let's say, 10%. Now, total price, right, will be what? Quote price plus the tax rate, right? Consider this as Y. Okay. Consider this as Y. The quote price, I don't know now. I don't know the quote price. The quote price is X. Okay. Now, can you form an equation between Y and X? That was the question we discussed first. That detoured us and we came into all of this. In the homework, even if I mention 20 problems, you're going to do all the problems. Come on, guys, try. Quick. Johan, can you do the rest of the problems as homework for this week? Johan.
I finished all 30 of the questions.
Oh, okay. Let me see. Meaning, I honestly don't remember. I have to check. Okay. Oh, yeah. You had done it in the math journal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember.
I said my.
Okay, but how did you do this question? This was there in the homework, right? See, now I feel like going and reviewing what you did. You see what I mean?
Yeah, I think I did those questions that you gave wrong, and then I had to look at the answer. So
Oh, for this one, huh?
yeah.
I see.
I said
Interest.
my answer.
1 minute, ma. Yeah. So, let me do it for you. No, I did not put 300, right, Vihan? I changed it to X, right?
Oh,
Johan, the tax is what you have written, but why is the total price? Where is the price of the coat?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I gave you everything. You guys are not seeing. See, y is equal to
Are you
coat
asking
price.
us to write the equation, or you're asking us to for the answer?
No, the equation is what? That was the problem.
Oh,
So now 10 by 100 is 0.1. Now y will be 1x plus 0.1x. What is 1x plus 0.1x? Johan, it's 1.1x. So is this a multiplicative relationship or an additive relationship?
multiplicative.
Multiplicative.
Multiplicative. It is not additive. You got it? Netra, did you get it? Netra, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, it's slightly tricky, guys. Okay, I'll stop here with this. Okay, I will assign homework on percentages only. Finish all the 30 problems already assigned. Okay, additionally, I'll add percentage problems. Any questions for me?
No.
No.
oh.
Okay, guys.
No.
See you all next week then, if you don't have questions.
Okay.
Bye.
Netra, do you understand? Netra, how do you submit your homework? You asked me, right?
Yeah.
See, Netra, this is how they submit homework. See here. You can,
Bye, Miss Priya.
bye, ma. You
Bye,
can
Miss
use
Priya.
your own math notebook, then use Cam Scanner app to make it into a PDF.
A scam scanner?
Cam Scanner, CAMSCANNER. I'm sending it to your mom.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Okay, I'll
Cam
do that.
Scanner. Okay. I'm sending it to your mom.
Okay.
And any questions, feel free to ask in WhatsApp.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Bye, ma.
Bye.